Hello and welcome back. Today, we have some exciting news about the upcoming Pixel 9 that you won't want to miss. If you're a fan of innovative technology and sleek design, this phone has some impressive features that are sure to catch your interest. From its stunning display to its powerful camera capabilities, the Pixel 9 is shaping up to be a fantastic addition to the Pixel lineup. The Pixel 9 will launch with Android 15 straight out of the box, meaning you'll be getting the latest features and updates right from day one. This phone has a sleek and modern design. It's slightly wider and shorter than the Pixel 9 but noticeably thinner, making it easy to hold. The look is a big change from the Pixel 8a, featuring a similar display size but with reduced bezels for a more immersive experience. The flat back design, without a camera bump, is a fresh aesthetic that many users will appreciate. Speaking of the display, you can expect a vibrant 6.2-inch screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and full HD Plus resolution. While the bezels may be a bit thicker than on some other models, the overall viewing experience will still be fantastic. Plus, the Pixel 9 will come in some stunning color options: obsidian, porcelain, a lovely pink reminiscent of previous releases, and a brand new color called iris, which is a beautiful bluish purple that's sure to catch your eye. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 will be powered by the Tensor G4 chipset, offering improved performance and efficiency for all your apps and games. It will also support 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, keeping you connected and fast. With 8 GB of RAM and storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB, you'll have plenty of space for all your photos and files. Speaking of cameras, the Pixel 9 will feature a dual camera system on the back, likely including a 64 megapixel main camera and a 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera, with a 13 megapixel front camera as well. This setup will allow you to capture stunning photos without the typical visor-like camera module seen in other Pixel models. The battery is said to have a capacity of about 4600 mAh, supporting wireless charging, though it will charge a bit slower than the Pixel 9. Now, for the exciting part, the Pixel 9 is expected to hit the market in spring, just in time for the Pixel 10 launch. Pre-orders are likely to start in mid-March, with the official release about a week later. And the starting price? It's anticipated to be between $500 and $550, making it a competitive choice for anyone in the market for a new smartphone. So, that's all we had for today. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. What are you most excited about with the Pixel 9a? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates.